They're taking us on a field trip! I'm so excited! It's so great! Hurry, guys! Hurry! You don't want to miss this!
No!
You want to come too? Come on, let's go!
Stop!
Go!
Stop! Whoa! Wendy! No, don't pick your father.
Where are you going?
Deluxe to see Dragon now!
Of course! I love that!
You're next.
No, you're gonna be taking out
Wendy, come on! Cuckoo! He's gonna take you to his house. He's gonna serve you to people with oranges.
Hey, what's happening?
Dad, it's the chef. He's back. Irma and May are giving those ducks to the chef so we can cook them.
Beg your pardon.
Dax, go back to Mom. I'll handle this.
No! I can help!
Go back to Mom now! Cuckoo, do not get on that truck!
Look, I understand this is all new to you, bit weird, bit strange.
Put together, get the truck!
Everyone! Get off the truck unless you want to be cooked!
Oh, that's bad.
Come on! Hurry! You gotta go before he comes back!
Oh my god!
You are so busted.
Let go!
I'm guessing that's not good.
That ain't right!
You little pouchy cheeks! Kill you!
You monster! Get away from them, you beast!
Ah, fluffernutter.
Time down!